Improve your grammar with story.
Simple present tense.
Welcome to the world of simple present tense in English grammar. This tense is a powerful tool that allows you to express yourself with clarity and precision. With simple present, you can describe actions and events that happen regularly, routines, habits, and even general facts. Let's take a moment to appreciate the versatility of simple present tense. It can be used to talk about daily routines like waking up early, exercising, or going to work. It can also describe a hobby that you love, such as playing an instrument or painting. Additionally, simple present can be used to convey universal truths and facts, such as, the sun rises in the east, or water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. One of the great things about simple present is its simplicity. Unlike some other tenses in English grammar, it doesn't require any additional auxiliary verbs or complex constructions. It's just you, the subject, and the verb in its base form. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Simple present tense is a force to be reckoned with. By using this tense, you can convey a sense of authority and certainty. You can use it to make statements, ask questions, or give commands. And with its widespread use in academic writing and everyday conversation, mastering simple present is an essential skill for effective communication in English. So, if you want to take your English skills to the next level, while listening to the story, try to find simple present sentences. So let's go. My daily routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm clock and stretch my body for a few minutes. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. Next, I head to the kitchen to make a cup of coffee and prepare my breakfast. After breakfast, I take a shower and get dressed. I usually wear comfortable clothes since I work from home. Once I'm ready, I sit down at my desk and start checking my emails. I work as a freelance writer, so I have a lot of assignments to complete every day. I usually work for about 4 hours in the morning before taking a break for lunch. I prepare a simple lunch, usually a sandwich or a salad, and eat it while watching some TV. After my break, I go back to work for another 3 hours or so. When I finish work, I take some time to do some exercise. I go for a run or do some yoga to keep myself active and healthy. Then I take a shower and prepare dinner. I enjoy cooking, so I like to try new recipes and experiment with different ingredients. After dinner, I usually spend some time reading or watching a movie. Sometimes I meet up with friends or family for a drink or a meal. I try to balance my work and personal life to ensure I have time for both. Around 10 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth again, wash my face, and put on my pajamas. I like to read a book or listen to some calming music to help me relax before falling asleep. By 11 p.m., I'm usually fast asleep, ready to start a new day.
Good, now answer the questions.
My sister, to work every day. Which sentence is in the simple present tense? Which sentence is in the simple present tense?